How to fix Roblox not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for roblox.com and make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on the gear icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on the settings option in the menu that appears. Now, in the settings page, tap on the privacy and content restrictions option and further tap on the content maturity option. Now, go ahead and set the content maturity slider to restricted. This feature may contain strong violence, heavy realistic blood, moderate crude humor, romantic themes, unplayable gambling content, and various other substances. So you will need to verify your age and you have to be 17 or older in order to be able to play the restricted games. So go ahead and verify the age, and with this you will no longer receive this error. So this is how you can fix Roblox not authorized to join this experience due to privacy settings. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.